Yak-walking military robot. The world's largest quadruped bionic robot is a massive mechanical yak that can lift over 350 pounds and run up to 6 miles per hour. When it is deployed, it will participate in tasks like supply delivery and reconnaissance in challenging locations, such hazardous fighting zones and distant border areas. Armed military robots working from the ground up might conduct drone warfare. One might see the robot walking down a deserted road. It is also navigating arid, sandy hills in the desert, a tremendous technical achievement that might be useful in the future in regions too cold for regular automobiles. The robot can walk smoothly in both directions, run, sprint, and jump, thanks to its 12 sets of joint modules. Delivering supplies, such as food and ammunition, across dangerous human terrain, such as lowlands, mountains, deserts, and forests, that is impassable for conventional vehicles, will be the responsibility of the quadruped bionic robot. Robot dog. Quad-legged unmanned ground vehicles, or robot dogs, are said to have been used by the Chinese armed forces as a useful to improve the combat ability of its men. The aim of this semi-autonomous robot is to reduce human vulnerability. The robot's unique capabilities, particularly its array of sensors, provide base security a major advantage. Robots of today may be sent into dangerous areas to locate and neutralize enemies or other dangers. Self-powered soft robot. China developed an autonomously soft robot designed to explore deep oceans. Its electronics are protected from pressure by being wrapped in a silicone lattice. The robot was designed using a deep-sea snailfish as a model. Because of this self-governing robot, solid vessels of any kind are no longer necessary. In order to decrease shear stress at component interfaces, China decentralizes electronics by increasing the distance between components or removing them from the printed circuit board. The robot was able to be activated in a field test in the Mariana Trench down to a maximum depth of 10,900 meters and swim freely at a depth of 3,224 meters in the South China Sea because to the careful construction of the dielectric elastomer material used for its flapping fins. Humanoid robot. China plans to take the lead in bringing about this transition. It is anticipated that in the near future, humanoid robots will become harmful technologies that would profoundly change people's lives and alter global marketplaces. Humanoid robots are predicted to be widely used in a variety of sectors, including home services, healthcare, agriculture, logistics, and army services. Nonetheless, the ministry highlighted that it is imperative that robots be built, especially for the army sector and hazardous situations. Robot Panda. Army services, environmentally friendly products, smart farming, and green development-related solutions will all be demonstrated at the China Expo. The 1.3-meter-tall, 63-kilogram robot. Its captivating behavior and appealing expressive black and white face make it a popular choice among customers and robot enthusiasts throughout the globe. UBTech created the Panda robot, which is outfitted with distinctive, cutting-edge characteristics taken from Walker, the humanoid service robot, using the popular Panda concept as inspiration. The multimodal design and realistic expression of the robot are meant to showcase UBTech Robotics' inventive, cooperative, and unshakable spirit to the global audience. EOD robot. The modular design of the T7 EOD robot system allows it to integrate a variety of equipment for installing weaponry and standard issue disruptors. It makes use of 24 VDC connections and 4 Ethernet communication ports, a 275-meter fiber optic spooler, a skid-steered track, a 4-channel remote initiation system, and a vehicle-borne explosive bomb device defeat kit are among the many accessories that come with the robot. Hub locks with a fast release are one alternative for hauling things. The bomb disposal robot can handle things weighing more than 130 kilograms and explosive ordnance close to the robot track due to its multi-axis robotic arm manipulator, which also incorporates an integrated haptic sensing gripper. Reach of the manipulator is 2 meters horizontally and 3 meters vertically. It is capable of supporting up to 27 kilograms of goods when fully extended. Blowfish A3. China's domestically built helicopter drones are now capable of operating in swarms and planning coordinated operations, thanks to their machine guns, grenade launchers, and proximity explosive mortar rounds. Up to 10 unmanned helicopter drones may automatically form up into a swarm. The drones can take off on their own, avoiding aerial collisions and flying to the intended destination with only a button press. They will coordinate their individual interactions with the target when ordered to assault. When a mission is over, the drones will autonomously return to base because of the system's instruction. Robot dog armed with a machine gun. A machine gun-equipped robot dog that can be dropped by an ordinary aerial drone has been shown by China. The Chinese QBB-97 light machine gun, which has a maximum range of 400 meters and a rate of fire of 650 rounds per minute, was mounted to the robot dog. An autonomous artillery system-equipped dog robot was revealed by China's military industry. A significant technological issue arises when mounting an automatic cannon on a Chinese robot due to the weapon's weight and the effects of recoil while fire. Despite this, the military is eager to use these heavier weapons for completely autonomous or remotely piloted combat operations. Sharp Claw. The makers of the Sharp Claw claim that it is capable of operating on its own. Its ability to be equipped with a 7.62 mm light machine gun may worry some people. However, it's unclear whether this would still need human supervision. The Mule 200's Caterpillar tracks allow it to traverse a variety of terrain, and its gasoline-electric hybrid engine has a peak speed of 50 km/h and a range of around 50 km. Perhaps it has weaponry to help with close-quarters combat of fires. WZ-8 drone. The WZ-8 drone can reach heights of 100,000 feet and speeds of Mach 3, making it unlike any other drone in the Chinese Air Force's present arsenal. Penetrating ISR against time-sensitive targets is the drone's objective. Include simply, the idea was to use its rapid speed and high elevations capabilities to try to avoid being intercepted by fighters and air defense missiles while conducting a reconnaissance flight over the area containing the targets of interest and surveying them in a condensed amount of time using its onboard synthetic aperture radar and electro-optical sensor packages.